Hello everyone and welcome back to our EasyEO tutorial series. In this episode, we will learn how to set up EasyEO locally on our computers. If you are working with Google Colab, you can install EasyEO directly in Google Colab. The tutorial notebooks also have Google Colab badges, which means you can click on the badge to open the notebook directly in Google Colab. This episode is for you if you want to set it up locally on your computer. This is our repository. The link to this repository and all other relevant links are in the video description. What I will do is to scroll down to the setup section, and we are first met with a recommendation. The recommendation is that we should not mix package managers, which means that if you install EasyEO with pip, then install the extras also with pip, which is the STAC extra and the X-array extra for now, and other extras that may come later. If you also install EasyEO from Conda Forge, then install the extras also with Conda Forge. Each of them have their installation instructions listed here clearly. However, for the environment to install EasyEO in, I recommend you use a Conda environment instead of a regular Python virtual environment. If you are new to what Conda is, it is a package manager. This is the website. The link is also in the description. And here, whether to use the main Anaconda distribution or mini Conda, you can read through here. I am using the mini Conda. So depending on which one you want, after reading through this page, you can click on download. Here you will be asked to do some registration, but if you skip registration, you can download the other Anaconda distribution or mini Conda for your operating system. I already have it, so I will not download it. So make sure you have Conda if you have already not installed it. And then once you have Conda installed, the recommendation is to create an environment using a Python version which is greater than Python 3.10. So I come to my terminal here and I paste the command which I copied, which only means that I'm creating a new Conda environment called EasyEO env with a Python version of 3.12. So I'll press enter. And then it will tell me that it's installing a few things. I will press Y and enter. Now the environment is created. What I have now to do is to activate the environment, but I'll first of all clear my terminal so that you can see all my commands at the top there. And I activate it using conda, activate, and then the name of the environment, which is EO env. Now I have this one, so I can install EasyEO inside. Let's come to the page and see what it says. I will use the pip to do this. You can also use the Conda Forge. There's no problem at all. So here it says we should activate it, which we've already done, and we can do pip install EasyEO and JupyterLab. JupyterLab is needed so that we can run EasyEO in an IPython notebook, IPyNB. If you will not run notebooks, you can skip the JupyterLab installation. Now everything is installed. Once again, I'll clear. And so we can try it out to see whether the installation worked. And then what we have to do is to copy this line here. And with the activated environment, I know my environment is activated because of this. I can just say Python. To enter an interactive Python mode, I can see that my Python version here is 3.12.13. I will paste the command here and then I'll press enter. Now I have this information printed out that EasyEO is installed, of course, and the version is 0.3.0. The Python version it is using is here. The dependencies, the core dependencies are also listed here with their versions. But you can see that the X-array, the other extras are not installed, which is fine, except I am doing things that require the extra. There will be no problem with my code. So we know that EasyEO is installed, and if you in case want to install the extra, let's now install the STAC extra. All I have to do is, because I used pip, I come back, pick the pip command again, but I'll have to quit out of this and then I will paste the command again. Now the extras are also installed. I'll clear once again, and then I'll open Python. If I get the same command again to test, you will see that now the STAC extras are also installed. So if you want to also add the SRA extra, you can add it if you need it. So that, my friends, is how to install EasyEO. In the tutorials that follow, we'll go into details on the things that we can do with the library and what it has to offer. Thank you very much for your time, and until next time, it is goodbye.